International Girl Child Day is established by the United Nations General Assembly on 11th December 2011. It is a very significant event, that goes unnoticed. On 11th of October, we commemorate this day to raise awareness about the specific challenges faced by girls worldwide, such as discrimination, violence, and limited access to education and healthcare. This day aims to empower girls and advocate for their rights, ensuring their full participation in society. It serves as a reminder of the need to invest in girls' futures, creating a world where every girl can thrive and reach her full potential. It is a simple gesture taken for the noble cause.